Against you. We're just followers.
Here, wait.
Please tell me
Wait. Oh, shit.
I know you want me to he's a Catholic, but if I am to protect myself against his
Country first.
why? What's happening? Oh my god. Who did this to you?
Academy.
You poor young man.
Hank, can I have that back? Can I have it back? Can I have that back? Thank you.
Canonby is a Scottish town. The English had no right.